Pakistan's Budget 2026 just landed, and if you own a car or plan to buy one, this is going to hit your pocket hard. We are talking about the Toyota Fortuner and the Toyota Land Cruiser, two of Pakistan's most loved vehicles, now facing massive new taxes. Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb announced these changes in the National Assembly just 2 weeks ago, and the auto sector has not been the same since. The government introduced a brand new Federal Excise Duty, Fed, and it is directly targeting big engine imported cars like the Toyota Fortuner and Toyota Hilux Revo. Here is the breakdown. Any imported car between 2,000 cubic centimeters and 3,000 cubic centimeters, like the Toyota Fortuner, now faces a 40% Fed. Above 3,000 cubic centimeters, like the Toyota Land Cruiser, that jumps to 41%. That means the Toyota Land Cruiser and Toyota Prado, already expensive, are now going to cost you almost double when imported into Pakistan. Here is why it hurts so much. Pakistan's import tax system works like a pyramid. You pay tax on top of tax, and the Toyota Land Cruiser is sitting right at the top of that pyramid. First, customs officers at Karachi port calculate the assessed value of your Toyota Prado at the port. That is your starting number. Then standard customs duty gets added on top of that base value, inflating the Toyota Fortuner's total price significantly before any other tax even touches it. Now, the new 40% special excise duty hits, but not on the original Toyota Prado price. It hits the already inflated customs value. That is where it really stings. The result? The final landed cost of a Toyota Fortuner or Toyota Prado is skyrocketing. We are talking crores more than before this budget. If you have a Mercedes-Benz S-Class or BMW 7 Series already booked or sitting at Karachi port, get ready to pay a massive premium to clear it. Premium European sedans like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and BMW 7 Series are directly in the crosshairs of this new tax structure. No exceptions. There is also a value-based tax. Any imported vehicle above PKR 20 million, like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, faces a 30% duty on top of everything else. And anything crossing PKR 30 million, like a BMW 7 Series, gets slapped with a full 40% duty, on top of everything already calculated. So what does this actually mean for real buyers? Let me break it down with real numbers, starting with the Toyota Fortuner, Pakistan's favorite SUV. A Toyota Fortuner that previously cleared customs at a manageable cost will now cost significantly more, because every single tax layer multiplies on top of the last. And it is not just fully imported cars. Rows of Toyota Fortuners and Toyota Hilux Revos right here at Toyota. Pakistan's own dealerships are also going to see invoice value increases. The Toyota Hilux Revo, one of Pakistan's most iconic heavy-duty vehicles, falls in the high displacement category. Expect its price to rise too. Industry analysts are already warning the era of relatively accessible premium imports like the Toyota Fortuner and Toyota Land Cruiser is coming to an end. Now let us talk about something that is going to really shock you: electric vehicles. Specifically, the BYD Sealion 6. For years, an EV like the BYD Sealion 6 had zero federal excise duty in Pakistan. That free ride is officially over as of Budget 2026. The new budget introduces a massive Fed specifically targeting high-end imported electric vehicles. And the MG electric SUV lineup is right in the crosshairs. If the BYD Sealion SIXS import value including customs duty stays below 20 million rupees, you are still exempt. Above that, heavy taxation kicks in immediately. Here is the split. An affordable MG4 electric hatchback stays exempt, but a luxury imported BYD Sealion 6 above 2 rupees crore, taxed heavily. The message from the government is clear: stop importing electric cars and buy whatever is being assembled locally. Cars like the Changan electric lineup are the future they want you to drive. And to back that message up, the government has extended full tax relief for locally assembled Changan Oshan X7 and MGHS electric variants until June 2027. Local assembly lines receive deep customs concessions, keeping CKD kits and EV parts affordable, so brands can build competitively inside Pakistan. The Changan Oshan X7 is a perfect example. Locally assembled, tax-exempt. and now sitting in a very competitive position compared to heavily taxed imports. And if you look at Islamabad from the air more, Changan Oshan X7S and MGHS vehicles are appearing on the roads every single month. The GWM Tank 500 is another major story. Its aggressive design and powerful specs made it a fan favorite, but as a CBU import, the new taxes hit it brutally. Once Sasgar brings the GWM Tank 500 to local assembly, the price is expected to drop massively from its current 45 million rupees tag. That is the power of local production. Walk into any Pakistani dealership right now and you will see the GWM Tank 500, MGHS, and Changan Oshan X7 positioned as the smart alternatives to heavily taxed imports. If you are a Pakistani living in the USA and thinking of sending a car back home, this budget just changed the math completely. Shipping a Toyota Land Cruiser from the US to Pakistan, the new tax pyramid means you could end up paying nearly double the car's actual value in government duties alone. A Toyota Land Cruiser or Mercedes-Benz sitting in a US container right now faces a brutal reality check the moment it hits Karachi port. Let me walk you through exactly how the tax pyramid works on a Toyota Fortuner so you understand where every single rupee of extra cost is coming from. Step 1. Customs officers determine the assessed value of your Toyota Land Cruiser. At the port, this is your base number. Everything builds from here. Step 2. Standard customs duty is applied to the Toyota Land Cruiser's assessed value. This already inflates the total significantly before any new tax touches it. Step 3. The new 40%. Fed and SCD do not hit the original Toyota Prado price. They hit the already inflated customs value. This is where the pyramid becomes brutal. The final landed cost of a Toyota Fortuner after all three steps can easily be double or even triple the car's original purchase price. That is not an exaggeration. That is the math. For the average Pakistani family dreaming of upgrading to a Toyota Fortuner or Toyota Prado, budget 2026 is a very serious reality check. Now the good news, if you are in the Suzuki Alto or Toyota Corolla segment, this budget does not hit you nearly as hard. Small engine cars like the Suzuki Alto at 660 cubic centimeters and the Toyota Corolla at 1,300 cubic centimeters are seeing comparatively lighter tax increases versus the Fortuner and Land Cruiser. Look at the traffic on any Lahore road. Suzuki Altos, Toyota Corollas, and Honda Civics dominate. This segment still gets government protection in budget 2026. Now what about hybrids? The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is one of Pakistan's fastest growing segments, and this budget has complicated things significantly. Reports suggest the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid could cost up to 17 rupees lakh, more from July 2026 onwards. That is a massive jump for buyers who were already stretching their budget. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid and Honda HR-V were becoming the go-to choice for fuel-conscious Pakistani buyers. But the new duties could slow that momentum fast. The key question is, do the long-term petrol savings from a Hyundai Tucson Hybrid still outweigh the 17 rupees lakh higher purchase cost? For many buyers, the answer may still be yes. With petrol prices remaining volatile, look at any Suzuki Alto, Honda Civic, or Toyota Corolla lined up at a Pakistani fuel station. Efficiency still wins long-term. The Chery Tiggo 7 PHEV driving through the mountains of northern Pakistan is a glimpse of where the market is heading. Plug-in hybrids are the next big wave. The government's NEV adoption levy, a 1 to 3% fee, added to every new petrol car sale, is being used to fund EV charging stations across Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, and Peshawar. That Changan electric car plugged into an Islamabad charging station? Your petrol car purchase partially funded that infrastructure. Interesting way to look at it. And if you are registered in Islamabad, your Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic token tax is also going up, under budget 2026 to 27. Check the new slabs before renewal. Pakistani car owners at the Islamabad Excise office are already seeing higher token tax bills for their Toyota Corollas and Honda Civics, budgeted in for this year. Drive through Islamabad's Blue Area or F7 right now. Toyota Land Cruisers, BMW 7 Series, and Mercedes-Benz S-Class vehicles are everywhere. Their owners are about to feel this budget very personally. Despite all the taxes, the auto market is still moving. MG Pakistan just teased the next generation. MGHS, described as a new kind of power and excitement, is already building. The Changan Uni S crossover is also coming to Pakistan, bringing fresh competition and modern, designed to a mid-range segment that is desperately hungry for new options. Look at a Pakistan auto show floor right now. Cherry, Changan, MGHS, and GWM Haval vehicles are dominating the display space. Chinese brands are winning this budget. A Pakistani buyer sitting inside a Changan Oshan X7 at a dealership right now is sitting in the smartest position in the entire market, locally assembled, tax-exempt, fully loaded. From the air, the M2 motorway tells the real story of Pakistan's car market. Toyota Corollas, Honda Civics, and Suzuki Altos making up the bulk of everyday traffic. Let me now give you a quick summary of everything you need to know from Budget 2026 as a Pakistani car buyer, whether you are in Pakistan or in the USA. Number 1. Imported Toyota Fortuners. Between 2,000 cubic centimeters and 3,000 cubic centimeters face a brand new 40% Federal Excise Duty. This is not small, this is massive. Number 2. Imported Toyota Land Cruisers and Toyota Prados. Above 3,000 cubic centimeters face 41% Fed. The most popular luxury SUVs in Pakistan just became significantly more expensive. Number 3. The BYD Sealion 6 and other luxury imported EVs above 2 rupees crore are no longer tax-free. Expect serious price hikes on premium electric imports. Number 4. Locally assembled Changan and MG. Electric vehicles remain fully tax-exempt until June 2027. If you want an EV, go local and go now. Number 5. The Suzuki Alto at 660 cubic centimeters and similar. Small engine cars are seeing comparatively lighter tax pressure. Budget buyers still have options. Number 6. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid could cost up to 17 rupees lakh more. Run the numbers on fuel savings before you commit to the higher purchase price. If you were waiting to buy a Changan Oshan X7 or upgrade your daily driver, the locally assembled segment is your best move right now in Pakistan's 2026 market. As the sun sets over the Margalla Hills and a Toyota Corolla winds through the road, one thing is clear: Pakistan's car market is changing faster than ever before. A Pakistani family loading up there Changan Oshan X7 for a road trip represents exactly where the smart money is going in Pakistan's post-budget 2026 automotive landscape. That is your complete breakdown of Pakistan Budget 2026 and what it means for every car buyer from Karachi to Lahore and from Islamabad all the way to the USA. If this video helped you understand the new car taxes, hit subscribe, share it with anyone planning to buy a car this year, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next one on AutoBrief USA.